Hi, I'm James from Mardon Recycling Machinery Limited, and we're in Northampton at Travis Perkins' UK National Distribution Centre, installing our Mardon RamPack fully auto baler and conveyor system. We have 3 flatbed lorries on the way from North Devon, carrying a fully auto baler and conveyor system. This is a 24-hour distribution centre, so we've been working closely with Travis Perkins to ensure minimal downtime to their teams and operation. Whilst we're waiting for the lorries, our team's already on site decommissioning their old equipment. Come on, let's go and check it out. Here we are, day 2 of the install. The machine's now installed by our team, and we're now making the first couple of bales.
Right, this is one of our CM70 range fully automatic balers. So this will do between 3 and 5 tons of air on cardboard. So this bales it, compacts it, ejects it and does it all automatically. For this customer, this comes back from the smaller stores. This is where they'll sort out the plastics and the cardboard, and the operators tip the bag into the conveyor. This is a 4-wire system, so you can see 4 wires on either side of the machine on these coils. Main control panel, again with a nice big HMI display. This tells you your pressures, your bale length, any faults. This is what we call the needle stack, or the inserter unit. Pushes and pulls the wire from either side of the machine, then ties it off on this side. So if you just have a look down the side of there, you can see the twister hooks. This is what they class as the neck cylinder. This squeezes the cardboard or the material as it's being compacted in the chamber. The bales will come out and then the operators pick it up with a forklift truck. The machine's designed for the operators, so everything's simple. There's nothing over-engineered, nothing too complicated about the machine.
From my point of view, it will be the consistency of the bales that will come out, less manual handling and a better quality of products, which obviously will increase revenue for the business.
Having somebody like Mardon's as a partner to help and resolve any issues has been fantastic.
Absolutely brilliant. From the engineers to the staff in the office, absolutely brilliant.
Everything is working as it should do. I'd absolutely recommend Mardon's.